Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss that what should you do if your Google Chrome crashes automatically and displays a blank page. So this is a very common issue and the solution is equally simple. So let's just see the steps. The first step is you need to make some changes onto your Chrome. So what you need to do is you need to just open up your Chrome browser, click on these three tabs and go to settings. In the settings you need to search for advanced, and from advanced go to this system. In system there is the second option, use hardware acceleration when available. By default it would be toggle to on. You can just toggle it to off and click on relaunch. After this what you need to do is close your Chrome and relaunch it and the setting will be applied. Then what you need to do is just go to your start menu and type in run command. This will open up the run app like this. In this you need to open this particular path, which is %local app data all in caps, again a %, the /google/chrome/. So this is a site that will open the user data or the user profiles that are associated with the Chrome. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you need to clear up all this data so that the settings are applied. So let's just click on OK. This user data is created, so you can just click on this and press shift delete or just delete. So this would be deleted. Then when you reopen your Chrome browser, the issue will be fixed, and if you are prompted, just create a new user profile. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.